enough food, organic food, yes, and potato good grow inside that side. Onion, potato, yes, good farming.
Also, it's heaven. In this sense, I think it's hard work.
Yes, but every all part. This is the physically fit, and the city life people is they sit on all time is reading computer. It's different life, you know. Lake and British's picnic spot
Sure.
and this place. Yeah, picnic.
Okay, also.
Picnic place.
Picnic place is British period. Lake, just junction and that side village, too far away, 4 kilometers down there, and the meadows. This one meadows, no grassland.
So the
Also, yeah,
grassland,
meadows.
Yeah, it's,
Okay.
Too nice, sunny and good photo flowering.
yeah, this is
Yes.
so not one night take again.
Das ist schon die Blumen. Und die Sonne ist auch, also Hinterseite, das kann man besser fotografieren.
Lemon butterfly. In German. In this area called grass yellow. Good, no?
Yeah, also.
What a beautiful view.
Yes, step farming and village area. That side. The yellow pine color. Eco village. No road. Only silent place. 10-kilometer walk far from Dholchina for the people. By shopping and all funny.
Also.
Yes.
Yeah,
Silent, grow,
Yeah.
nature. The mostly relative for the nature, no? They all people funny.
They are
The
really living in
maximum
heaven.
yeah, sure.
No pollution,
Cars, no, nothing.
no chemical, nothing.
They have goat, cow, buffalo, all.
Also enough.
Milk, get milk.
Enough.
Enough.
Enough
Funny.
food.
Enough food, organic food. Yes. And potato good grow inside that side. Onion, potato. Yes. Good farming.
Also, it's heaven. In this sense, I think it's hard work.
Yes. But every all part. This is the physically fit, and the city life people is they sit on all time is reading computer. It's different life, you know.
Like village people are more physically fit
Fit.
because they have to do hard work.
Yes. And these are all funny.
Yeah.
The city life people is not is funny. All time crazy.
And,
Angry people.
yeah.
You know?
The villagers, they are happy and
Happy.
by nature they are very jolly.
Yes.
And they have a school for the
Yes.
school for the kids.
Yes,
also
yes,
here.
yes. And government school inside the village and private boarding school are like that side.
But they cannot go 10
And
kilometers every day.
the young people is like they buy the rental some houses near the market and study life. Yes. But there's just a little bit so more villages migrate younger
Yeah,
yes
they
the
want to
old
see
people
to live
like
in the world and have the
yeah
passion and hands.
they like is more